Hey, what's up my people? So today what we have is a garage ceiling patch. What happened here is the drywall fell out. The homeowner, they secured it back up. That way there's not a gaping hole. What happens is why the garage ceilings fall out is because if you can see right here, these double areas right here, that means it's been nailed. Here in Florida, there is a lot of drywall that falls out of garages and back porches and sometimes even houses. Because they put nails throughout it and no screws. So when we do ceiling refinishing, we repair it and we put screws throughout just to make sure that it doesn't do that in the future. So we're gonna tear this all out, we're gonna replace it, we're gonna finish it out, and then we're gonna put the texture back on. So stay tuned. No matter how much you prepare for a job, it sometimes doesn't go your way. So this is 5/8 drywall and all we have is 1/2 inch. So looks like we're going to Home Depot. Put some dead wood in. You can see right here where we cut it. We want to make sure this is secure. So we got a couple pieces that we're gonna put in. Kind of gotta do what you gotta do, you know? We got our drywall hung. This is 5/8 drywall. What a pain. Now we're gonna put some mesh tape on. We use spray glue just to help it stick a little bit. And we got our mesh tape. All right, so check it out. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet sand. This is a 3M sanding sponge. You can get this at Home Depot. It's an angle one, which we like just for corners and stuff. And then you just have your basic sponge. So we just wet the mud. This is a lot easier than dry sanding. One thing, you gotta wait. Another thing, it's not dusty. So especially when it comes to knockdown, it's rough and we wanna get all the mud sanded down. That way we feather it in, and then when we shoot our knockdown, you don't see a bunch of edges all the way around. So just wet it. Nice. Much easier than dry sanding. Nice and smooth. Right, for this job, the knockdown, we're gonna spray with a Marshalltown hopper. This is a sharpshooter. It has a dial on it. So that way it gives, and it also has a gooseneck. That way it can point up the ceiling and your hopper stays straight. And then we also have a clear knockdown knife, which we're gonna, when it dries up, we knock it down. That completes our job for today and this video. If you're hearing this, that means you made it to the end, and we appreciate you. Comment below, let us know what you think of this video. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that bell. That way you don't miss a notification from us and future projects.